interest una. I wan reach my farm today. I think it don dey like 1 month and 2 weeks now wey I never go farm. I never go check my farm. I don get pp by force because of farm. So I wan try go check am today. I will be packing some of the needed things that I will be using for my farm today. Adege, my jar of water. Oh, we used to call this aho, and another cutlass. No be all place I go fit dey use that. This place, this one dey clear, so I still carry small cutlass in case. Who dey go farm without food? Make una tell me. Who dey go farm say no carry food? Here is my food and my spoon. This is special packaging. Okay, I carry this back so that I will fit keep my phone if I dey work. I also carry power bank in case my phone run down. I carry shaka bag in case I see any corn wey don strong, as in wey don mature. Money that will be easy for transport. So I am set to go, guys. I don ready. See you guys later. Bye bye. To the farm. Though I never reach o. I will need to first go enter motor. So I dey road, may I go enter motor before I come reach. So I dey try go back before. I have come down from the motor. So right now I dey the street. So I'm trekking down to my farm now. The journey that I was coming from. It's very far. I'm not going to start the video. I will show now the video. See where I dey go. I never even start. I never even reach center of road. Down near the farm. Oh, my heart dey beat. See bush. See the bush where I don't see ahead. Jehovah, my Jehovah. Chineke me. No where to put leg. See my farm. Jehovah, my God, just 1 month and 2 weeks when I no come farm. Now so it dey be. Where I want start from? Some corn don't even dey dry. See, this one will even produce more things. See, it don't dey dry. No wonder my